Well, the state is opposed to your application for deferred adjudication, but they're recommending.
Here it is.
I guess you're in the middle.
Need my old docket back.
10 years in prison over a single case. That's not just jail time, that's a whole childhood. Missed if you've got a kid, but remember, it's Texas and things move fast and hit hard in these courtrooms.
I'll look at some more. You need one or two?
You saw it, right? Be in the middle.
Hello,
How you doing?
I'm doing okay. How are you doing?
May I ask who our colleague is that passed away?
Jocelyn Andrews.
An attorney?
Yeah. She was an attorney and a nurse.
Oh.
Yeah.
Jared Wade walks in not just as a defendant, but as a man with 2 felonies hanging over his head. Real talk. How many chances do courts really give people who work honest jobs but mess up big?
All right, everyone, please whisper and remember my previous rules. Do not approach until you've spoken with your client and conferred with the state. Court is calling 2025 CR 004949, 2025 CR 004950, State versus Jared Michael Wade. Can I have parties announced?
Duffy Whitlock for the state of Texas, Your Honor.
James Seeloff for the defense.
And are you Mr. Wade?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you entered a plea of no contest on June 26th. This defense waived PSI, and this was to give the defense a chance to bring witnesses if the defense wanted to bring witnesses. Did you have any witnesses?
He,
Well, it was my stepfather, but he had emergency back surgery yesterday. So
Okay,
he couldn't come. He's a ex-police officer.
Okay.
Yeah.
all right, so what was he going to say?
He was basically going,
Say, give you probation, right?
good character,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
hard worker.
All right, you want to raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
And Gerard Willie.
All right, are you currently employed?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do?
UPS driver, part-time, hour,
And how long you been doing that?
4 years.
You're not one of the people who throws packages over the.
He generally brings it to your
In the
door.
box, or I place them right there and get you going.
12-year-old kid, 15-year marriage working at UPS for 4 years. This ain't just a defendant, it's a dad, a husband, and a provider. Does that sway the judge, or is the law still the law?
All right, do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am.
What are their ages?
12 years old.
All right, and do they stay with you? Do you have, all right,
He's married, he's been married for 15 years.
We've been together for 15 years.
see, together for 15, married for 7. All right,
He's, okay.
so here's the question. When's your anniversary?
November 3rd.
Ah, I
Good
like
man.
that. Usually people don't remember their anniversary date. Well, the state is opposed to your application for deferred adjudication, but they're recommending, let me see,
Probation.
they're recommending community supervision.
It's not just about the sentence. This decision will change the way Jared lives every day. Between work, family, and court compliance, this probation is no free pass.
So, state, do you have any objection to the court giving him deferred adjudication?
No, Your Honor, the state. The truth is correct.
All right. So here's the thing about deferred adjudication. The offenses that you have, they're 3rd-degree felonies. The agreement that you reached with the state was if you were ever revoked, the maximum I would be able to sentence you to is 10 years.
Let's break this down. Deferred adjudication sounds like a break, right? But it's a legal tightrope slip-up once, and Jared could serve the full 10 years. Would you take that deal?
With deferred adjudication, the maximum I'll be able to sentence you to 10 years is if you violate the terms of your probation. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
The thing about deferred adjudications don't show up as a conviction on your record, but they will still show up on your record. Do you understand? All right. And UPS, are they making you do drug tests?
No, man. We don't, they do, like, deal with felonies with charges.
Okay.
Wishy-washy.
All right, so here's the thing. While you're on probation, you have to do drug tests. So you can either do drug tests where you actually go into the office, or either they can give you a patch. The thing about patches, it helps you with your time constraints. And I'm sorry, State, you may be excused. It helps you with the time constraints, but the patch costs more. Ms. Abrams, how much is a patch?
It's $50 every 2 weeks, Judge.
Every 2 weeks?
Yes, Judge.
Or you can do the UA. The UA will be once a month.
I'll take the UA.
All right.
Judge, also keep in mind we have that watch.
Ah, so they also have the watch. And how much is the watch? The watch is something new. It looks like a watch. You put it on, and it's supposed to be less expensive.
I'm fine with the UAs.
Judge, I believe
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
$5 a day.
Oh.
Okay, that $5 a day adds up.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, especially with the 12-year-old, right?
Well, 10 years.
All right, and cause number 2025 CR 0044950.
49.
Oh, you have two. Yes. All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 6 years deferred adjudication. There's regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be 100 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once those are completed, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. This is run concurrent with 2025 CR 0044949. There's
Parenting
the-
classes, community service, no contact with the victim, and a defensive driving course. This is more than punishment. It's a full behavioral rehab package. Do you think it's fair or too far?
There's to be restitution, if any, to Stephen, that's with the V, Enriquez. The defensive driving course. No contact with Stephen Enriquez.
The court isn't just punishing. This is rehabilitation with a mission. Parenting classes, job proof, and drug tests. Can Jared keep it all together?
Field visits 1 time per month for 3 months. Probation, is there anything else with regards to that cause number?
Your Honor, could I ask the court to reconsider the driving course? I don't know how that applies, and he is a driver with UPS.
Well, because he has an evading arrest. So that's why.
You understand?
And it'll help him.
Well, thank you very much.
You're welcome. All right, and cause number 2025 CR 0044949. The court is going to sentence you to 6 years deferred adjudication. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular random UAs. Proof of employment within 30 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. 100 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting. Once that's completed, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. This is the run concurrently with 2025 CR 0044950. Again, restitution, if any, to Stephen Enriquez. The defensive driving course. Field visits 1 time per month for 3 months. Probation, is there anything else? All right, Ms. Ferguson,
Yes, sir.
I need a 30-day reset for a restitution hearing.
Yes, sir.
Do you need my presence for that?
Yes.
Judge, if you do
Find a seat somewhere, have a seat.
All right, August 12th. Council and Mr. Wade, you can appear by Zoom. And let me see if I can find your trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. Is there anything else that you need from the court to be successful in this probation?
No, Your Honor.
No.
Can you-
Wait, are you gonna do his probation for us?
I thought I would. Isn't that part of my duties?
Yeah, it could be.
Okay.
All right, so Mr. Wade, do you need anything else to be successful?
No, man.
Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because these are plea bargaining agreements, because I followed your plea bargaining agreements, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Sure.
In this court, in order to be successful on probation, communication is key.
6 years is a long time to stay clean, compliant, and committed. The judge isn't just offering leniencies as giving Jared a shot at transformation. But let's be real, how many people actually make it to the end of probation without slipping?
If there's an issue, you need to let your probation officer know about it. If you feel as though they're not addressing it, you can come back to the court. We're off the record, if you're able to successfully complete everything, your attorney can talk to you about early termination.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, just have a seat. Probation is going to go over conditions with you.
I was going to ask you, do we do probation talk now before
Yes.
the restitution? But you want me here
Yeah, or you can appear by Zoom.
by Zoom? Okay. And I'll get a notice with the Zoom numbers?
Oh, yes, and she's going to give him the reset form as well.
Okay.
6 years is a long time, but the judge made it clear, with effort and accountability, Jared could turn his life around. But one slip and it could all fall